Hello, welcome to 42 Freshmeadow Way. This is an outstanding two-story family home in the west end of Guelph, just minutes from the West End Community Center and Costco. It's an amazing home, so let's go take a look around. As you move through the main level, you'll immediately notice the beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring that flows throughout. You're first welcomed into the bright and inviting living room, a comfortable setting that's perfect for relaxing with family or hosting guests. From here, the layout flows naturally into the beautifully renovated kitchen. This impressive space features quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and an open design that easily accommodates a large dining table, making it ideal for both everyday meals and entertaining. Continuing through the main floor, the separate family room offers a warm and cozy atmosphere centered around a gas fireplace. It's the perfect place to unwind at the end of the day or enjoy casual family time. To complete the main level, you will also find the conveniently located powder room combined with the main floor laundry, adding everyday practicality to the home's functional layout. Upstairs, this home continues to impress with 4 generous bedrooms plus a versatile bonus office. This is the perfect space for working from home, a homework zone, or a quiet reading nook. The primary bedroom offers a comfortable and private retreat, complete with 2 closets including a walk-in closet, and a well-appointed ensuite featuring a relaxing soaker tub and a separate shower. The additional bedrooms are all spacious and bright, ideal for family members or guests, while the updated main bathroom features a beautifully finished tile shower that adds both style and function. Stepping outside, you will find a fully fenced backyard set on this generously sized 51 by 110 foot lot. This outdoor space offers a great patio area for summer barbecues and entertaining, 2 raised garden beds for gardening enthusiasts, and plenty of room for children and pets to run around and play. Located in the desirable West End, this home offers an exceptional balance of comfort and convenience. It's just minutes to Costco, the West End Rec Center, parks, schools, shopping, and quick access to the Hanlon Expressway. It makes daily errands, activities, and commuting simple and efficient. What a fantastic setting for active, connected family living. As you can see, this is an amazing home in a great community. If you think this might be for you, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to show you around. Thanks a lot for joining me and have a great day.